Hello, in this tutorial I'll introduce you to a simple and scientifically backed approach to reduce the loudness and severity of tinnitus using acupressure. I will focus on measurable improvements, making this approach accessible and easy to understand. Did you know that there's scientific research supporting the use of acupuncture to alleviate tinnitus symptoms? In this video I'll walk you through the process of targeting 3 specific acupuncture points that have been proven to offer relief. If you're looking for a simple approach to manage your tinnitus, then you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, let's outline what you can expect from this video. 1. An introduction to the 3 key acupuncture points and their role in tinnitus relief. 2. Easy to follow instructions for locating and stimulating these points correctly. And 3. How long and how often to use them for best results. So if you're ready to reduce or eliminate your tinnitus symptoms, keep watching. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine and pet acupressure therapy. I've helped thousands of people live healthier and happier lives, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The first point I would like to demonstrate is just in front of your ear. First, find the little flap that's in front of your ear, right over here. This point is called the tragus. Then move down and you'll be in a little notch right over here. Now move forward of that notch until you're off the ear tissue and just on your face, right here. This point right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. This point might be very tender on some people. Massage this point in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes like this. Now find and massage this point on your other ear. The next point to help relieve tinnitus is located on the back of your hand. Find the point that is just below the knuckles right over here. You'll be between 2 bones. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point for 1 to 2 minutes in a circular motion like this. Now massage this point on your other hand. The third point to reduce tinnitus is located on the back of your hand. Notice the fold of skin between your thumb and your hand, right over here, right here like this. Find the point that is at the end of that crease, right here. Push in towards your hand and find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Activate this point by massaging it in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes like this. Now find and massage this point on your other hand. If you want to reduce or eliminate tinnitus, I suggest that you massage these points 3 times a day for 30 days, then use as needed thereafter. The next step to reduce tinnitus is to promote deep healing by activating your vagus nerve. I've put my video here. Check it out.